Yeah, people, good day, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Enjoying it out. Well, today is George Floyd memorial, and may his soul rest in peace. He has started a movement or a recognition of the brutality that's been going on for years, from Rodney King, from way back, way before that. Days of slavery right on to now, 2020. Today is his memorial. I saw Al Sharpton, you know, gave the eulogy, and it was nice. May his soul rest in peace. I heard that the 4 officers who were involved in this case are charged too. So that's something like it moving in a positive direction. But today I saw a little blog or something, a post that Candace Owens made, you know what I mean? And I don't understand why would she be trying to destroy or tear down the man's name or reputation on the day that the man is being, memorialized or what? You know what I mean? And Candace Owens, she's very intelligent. I think she's one of those educated fools, those educated puppets who are used by the system to tear down black men, just like Oprah Winfrey and Gail King, you know what I mean? And for her to come out on the day that the man is having his memorial to degrade the man's name and to highlight his jail record, his rap sheet, and his drug habits, it was uncalled for, and she's discrediting the man. That's what she's doing. She's acting like she does not justify the killing, but yes, she's discrediting the man. Now, how can you blame the victim? When the man's a victim, how can you blame the victim, Candace Owens, on the day of his memorial? How could you do that and say that you're a good person? How can you blame a victim for having his hands handcuffed behind him while a person has his knee in his neck and he's complaining he can't breathe, and that person ends up dying, and you blame that person and digs up his prison record and his drugs habit, all his drug habits and all his bad ways to tarnish the man's image on the day of his memorial? Why would you do that as a black person? What's your agenda? My girl, what your blood clot agenda? What's your fucking agenda, yo? Because that's not good. That's not like you're doing nothing good, B. You saying the man is not a hero. Who said the man was a hero? Who said that? If the people are calling the man a hero or calling him a martyr, why do you have a problem with that? Why do you, Candace Owen, have a problem with that? And you're a black woman at that. You hate black people or you hate black men, which one of them? Or it's both of them. Why would you come out on the day that a man is being buried or having a memorial to come out and discredit a man and dig up dirt on the man's name? Now I'm going to ask you this. Wasn't Jesus Christ sent to jail? Wasn't Jesus Christ sent to jail and they say away with Jesus and give us Barabbas? And then he was crucified with 2 thieves. So would you say Jesus deserved it? You, Miss Candace Owen, who is so educated, would you tell me that black Jesus deserved to be crucified for doing good when he came on the earth? You would hold his record against him and say he had went to jail for helping the people, wouldn't you? A lot of people who have been in jail or incarcerated are innocent, man. I don't think you know that. The system is not perfect. And many innocent people have been executed and crucified over the years during corrupted system or corrupted individuals who do not like them and fabricate cases and evidence placed in the right place so they can subject these people to inhumane treatment. And George Floyd didn't deserve to die the way he died. So you coming out and speaking like that and acting like you're on the black side, you're not on the black team. You are not on the black team. You're just like the fly flying around. You're a nuisance to the black community, the black nation. Just like this fly you see just flew across the camera, you're just like that. You're just a black fly on the wall, spying on the black nation and helping to tear us down piece by piece. But your day is going to come where they're going to turn on your ass. They're going to turn on you. Because you're just like the slaves who used to be on the plantation when we are planning to make an escape and you find out, you, Candace Owen, you'll go back and tell the master that we are planning to escape to get us whipped or get us incarcerated or get them to set the dog on us to bite our seeds and our dick off. You're the type of slave. You're an informer. You're a sellout. You're a hypocrite. You're a narcissist. You do not love black people. And rest in peace, George Floyd. And may your legacy live on. Whether the people call you a hero or a martyr, you are definitely, your life and your past is not going to go unnoticed. And may your daughter grow up to be strong and happy. You know what I mean? Yes, Candace, when you're talking about that pregnant lady, but you're not talking about the man's daughter. You're not talking about the daughter of the man, the child that the man died leaving innocently because he was not resisting arrest when they were arresting him. Whether they had a baggie of coke or a bag of weed on him, he wasn't resisting any arrest. And it's on camera. So for you to come out and highlight the man's jail record and his habit, you're an evil motherfucking bitch, yo. You're a stinking ass, evil ass bitch. An educated puppet, brethren. You are the one that Marcus Garvey warned us about, yo. You're a sellout. Dirty ass bitch, Candace Owens. Rest in peace, George Floyd. And may your legacy live on forever and ever, yo. Yeah.